Hey guys, Ian through the Rag Company, and in today's video we are talking about the complete wheel and tire cleaning kit. This is going to have everything that you need to make sure your wheels and tires are looking squeaky clean. Now we have a combination of chemicals, towels, and brushes in this kit, but starting off with the chemicals, we've included some Kosh Chemie products. This is going to be reactive wheel cleaner. This is going to be your all-around wheel cleaner that is safe on almost all wheel types. It's going to have a built-in fault remover, meaning that it's going to remove embedded brake dust and particulates like that, as well as provide great lubrication for your brush. This product will turn purple once it's sprayed onto an area with brake dust, and after that you'll agitate and then of course rinse. We've also included Plast-Care, which is going to be the exterior dressing product that can be used on all trim types as well as your tires. So this is going to give your tires a nice deep dark look after you're done cleaning. And then lastly, we've also included just an all-around basic exterior quick detailer that you can use just to touch up your wheels as needed or to be able to add a little bit of gloss. Now we've also included two Detail Factory detailing brushes. This one right here is going to be the tire scrubbing brush with the gray bristles. These are going to be very stiff and can work into that rubber for a deep clean. We've also included the wheel face brush. This is going to have a flag tip nylon bristle that you can use to agitate the reactive wheel cleaner on the wheel faces. And then for our microfiber products, we've included a pretty good variety in here. So we do have the Wolfpack Microfiber Towel Pack. These are going to be an ultra plush microfiber towel with a butter soft suede edge. These work great for just all around wheel cleaning and wheel drying after you are done. And then we've also included some pearl weave towels and applicators. These are going to be ideal for the plastic and rubber dressing here. So you can simply apply this to an applicator, apply it to your tires, and then knock down the excess with another pearl weave towel. And then lastly, we've also included our Gauntlet wheel towels. Again, these are going to be great for just drying general things. You can use them for anything and everything. They are paint safe and extremely absorbent. These are a very premium towel and one of our signature towels here at the Rag Company. So the only other thing that you need outside of this kit to give your wheels a deep clean is of course some running water, whether it be a hose or pressure washer, and a bucket filled with water would be ideal. Following that, you should be good to go. So as always, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.